Hey Glam Squad, this is your girl Dalu. Today we are at Homegoods. I'm showing you some of the things that they have for Christmas. Last time when I was at Homegoods doing the fall shop with me video, I was not able to fit in everything in one video, so I thought I would do a separate video. I hope you will enjoy it. I just love this area. I think it is just so pretty. The bowls, all the little items, and the charger is just so pretty. Although it has a little bit of traditional look to it, but you can definitely turn it into something more modern. These plates are $4.99, but they have them per bundle where you can get 4 for $12.99. A big saving of $7. I'm not showing them to you because they did not have them anymore. By the time when I came into the store, they have 2 bundles. By the time I turned around to shoot the video, they were gone. People are really liking them. But I managed to get one for myself. I will show it to you at the end of the video. For these plates, they have some beautiful black accessories and utensils that I think would go with them really well. They're coming up soon. I think this black section area is just so pretty. Normally I'm not too much into black, but I think this could go really well with the plates that I showed you earlier. Although the plates are a little bit more traditional, but I think mixing them with these will definitely give them a modern vibe. But what do you guys think? I want to hear your opinion. I know we may not want to give another mug to our teachers, but this white and red mug definitely hot. These beautiful placemats have been around for a little while. They bring them out every single season. I think they are on $10. Sometimes they have them 2 for $14. But I also found them on Amazon. I will put the link for you just in case if you do not want to go to the store, because I know with COVID we do not want to go out, so you can go check them out. They have some more mugs at the bottom here. I love these vases, you guys. They are not per se part of the holiday collections, but they can be used. I am not sure why this one costs $20 more, but this is what you have. They are super tall, you guys. Please keep in mind, at this point, some of the items that you're going to be seeing will not be traditional Christmas items, but you can definitely incorporate them into your Christmas decor, in my opinion. I would like to take this opportunity to give a big warm welcome to all of you who are new to my channel. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload new video. And to my existing Glam squad, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to show you all the white linens that they have, just in case if you want to incorporate some sort of white into your bedroom for Christmas. And they have a few stuff for the bathroom too. Okay guys, let me show you the plates. As I mentioned, if you buy them separately, it's gonna be $4.99 each, but if you buy them as a bundle, it's 4 for $12.99. I have this charger that I bought from Tuesday morning. I was thinking of pairing them up together, but now I'm thinking the plate might be too big for it. What do you guys think? Is it a yes or a no? I found the same charger on Amazon, but it's a little bit more expensive. I will put the link for you guys. My beautiful Glam squad, if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. I thank you for spending some time with me today. Please stay blessed and be safe. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Mwah!